Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speaking First English, your warm, friendly space to learn English in the simplest and happiest way. We're really excited you're here today.
Yes. Hi, everyone. I'm Emily, and oh, wow. I'm so happy to be here right now. Thank you for joining us again. Seriously, it means a lot.
Today, we're talking about one of the most common questions in English. That question you hear in school, at work, at a party, on the first day anywhere.
Yes, the famous. Tell me about yourself.
People freeze. They panic. They don't know what to say. Even advanced speakers get nervous sometimes.
So today, we're making it easy, warm, and super friendly. Slow English. Simple sentences.
Part 1. Name.
All right, Daniel, your turn first. Tell me about yourself. What is your name?
My name is Daniel. Happy to be here, happy to talk, happy to share. And you?
My name is Emily. Hi again.
Part 2. Where you're from. So, Emily, where are you from?
I'm from the United States. Big cities, big energy, big everything. And sometimes big chaos.
I love that. I'm from Canada. Peaceful, quiet, calm. We balance each other.
Yes, chaos meets calm. Perfect partnership.
Part 3. Where you live now. Where do you live now?
I live in a big city, very busy, very alive, kind of like me.
I live in a small apartment in a quiet area. It's simple, but it's home. Part 4. Age.
Daniel, can we talk about age if you're brave?
Yes, I'm ready. I'm 30 years old.
And I'm 26, still learning, still growing, still paying for coffee every day.
Coffee is a personality trait at this point. Part 5. Job/studies.
What do you do, Daniel?
I'm an English teacher, and your very enthusiastic host here on Speaking First English. I love helping people learn simply.
Oh, that's true. And I'm a design student. I draw, create, imagine, and talk a lot.
You talk a lot? Never.
Okay. Okay.
Part 6. Family. Let's talk family. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother. He's older, very funny, very kind. He always makes me laugh.
I have one younger sister. She studies music. She plays piano beautifully.
Oh, wow. That's amazing.
Part 7. Pets.
Do you have a pet?
Yes. I have a dog named Max. He's small, brown, and full of energy, like a tiny tornado.
Aw, I love tornado dogs. I have a cat named Luna. She sleeps 23 hours a day and considers that hard work.
Cats really think sleeping is a full-time job. Part 8. Favorites.
Let's talk favorites. Favorite food?
Pizza. Classic. Beautiful. Powerful.
Powerful food. Mine is pasta. Smooth, warm, perfect.
Favorite color.
Green. Nature. Freedom. Life.
Mine is blue. Calm and cool.
Favorite hobby?
Listening to music and playing football. Badly.
I love painting, reading, and collecting cute notebooks that I never use.
Part 9. Dislikes. Tell me one thing you don't like.
Waking up early. Impossible.
Olives. I can't do it. Nope.
Fair.
So that's it. How to talk about yourself in English. Simple. Friendly.
This is how humans talk. Slow, warm, open, honest. No pressure, no stress, just conversation.
Before we go, we want to ask for a small favor. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Speaking First English.
And give this episode a big like. It really helps us reach more learners. Thank you so much.
Now, our question of the day.
Go to the comments and tell us about yourself. Just 1 or 2 sentences. Your name, your country, your favorite food, anything.
We will read every single comment.
Thank you for listening today. Stay safe, stay warm, and keep learning.
Keep it simple.
And be fluent.